Morning everyone, it's Artist from Man Carpentry. This is our next job. What we're going to do here is strip this old flat roof and make it into the warm roof, because the idea for client is to get that sunroom insulated and make it part of the kitchen. So that's one of our next jobs which we're going to be doing, and I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch up with you soon. I'll show you everyone what happens to the roof after I think 40 years. It's done quite well, to be honest. You can see that's the plywood. So yeah, that's gone through there. So good job that we are doing it, because it's on its last legs. Stripped it all off, well, half of it, and you can see it's not quite the best notch there. So you should be, if it would be notched that much out, it wouldn't matter, because it's only 20mm left of the wood. The way around it is to put joist hangers on and put here on this trimmer, and also add another timber on front, maybe two even, just to give it strength. At the end of the day, it's spanning from that corner onto that corner, which is built in brick or block of some sort. So that's what we're gonna have to do. Same, that end is notched 4/4 of wood out and then lapped onto the timber, which is not the best. He's got a nail there, but it's not the way you should be doing. So what we'll do, we'll put joist hangers on here, nail them on, same that end, and then that'll be secure. Then we can cover the roof. But that's how they built it about, what, 40 years ago. This been done 80s, I think, 1980s. So you can see how it's been done. Still, this is still good. Just ends by rotten. And yeah, both sides really. The rest of it seems to be alright. So hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch you up soon.